Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. So this past weekend we were with I Chase Cars and Mason Visuals because they did an absolutely insane event at a private airstrip to where we brought out a few of the ATX Streetline legends and a few other supercars from the area. Apparently there was a BMW that drove out from San Antonio as well, so big shout out to that guy for coming out. But yeah, these guys are doing some really epic stuff. They also have this page right here that they just opened up. That's where they're going to be posting future events and also the recaps of their events. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. It's not going to be too much of a vlog this time because I just put this DJI Osmo Nano on the top of my hat so that we can get some POV, because I was honestly filming with my drone and the camera most of the time. So hopefully y'all enjoy the flybys, the crazy clips, and all the insane vibes that we had out there. But yeah, let's get on to all this craziness and let me know what you think. What's going on, brother? How you doing, bro?
We're gonna be
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure later on. Y'all were honestly supposed to turn over there where she is, but everyone just ripped right past. Yeah.
Well, I wasn't sure. I was like half, and I was like, do I just?
Yeah, they were all like, probably everyone's just gonna rip it. Look at these guys.
What's up, dude?
What's up, Kyle? How you doing, bro? So, what you gonna do? We're gonna take a loop. You're gonna park behind the pie cutter.
Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, bro? What's going on, dude?
What's going on?
I have no clue, dude. Yo, can I get all of y'all to say hi to the camera for me?
Yeah.
Alrighty boys, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I kind of did a crappy job vlogging this event, but right here they're setting up all of the cars because they're going to be doing some parade laps on the airstrip with all of the cars, 2 horses leading the pack, and then 2 golf carts in the front with all the boys capturing all the media. I was on drone duty, but unfortunately the manual focus on the drone is kind of crappy right now, so I switched it to manual focus for the next event, which y'all are going to see on the next video. But for this one, unfortunately, we did miss out all the drone footage for the parade laps. But right here I got a little bit of some POV for y'all so that y'all can enjoy the horses in the front and all the cars just doing some quick drive-bys with some revs. So hopefully y'all enjoy real quick and yeah, enjoy the crazy views. Okay, so after the parade laps, all the cars came back into where we had them parked in the beginning, and they started doing these like angled parkings because they wanted to get a few of the planes out in front of the cars, which was pretty cool. They had 2 planes on the side, which are like those water planes that land on lakes and stuff, and then they had an aluminum plane, a very small one, in the middle, which was super duper cool because one of the guys was literally lifting it up with his hands and just moving it around. So I'm guessing that thing gotta be super duper light, but these were some incredible views. We actually got some really good drone shots. It wasn't blurry, which was really nice. But yeah, we got some drone shots, some photos. It just looked absolutely insane. Like I was saying later on to these guys, I've been to plenty of events, but this one was super duper special, super cool to see all these cars with planes together. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy these cool shots, and we also got to talk to the owner here in a little bit, so y'all can enjoy these little clips that we got with them. And yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy.
Starting over there.
The winner?
The shot with the drone.
Yeah.
You're starting over there and you go towards.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
The center. Let me see what you got. It's so good. That
Bro,
is so good.
y'all fucking outdid yourselves on this shit.
We're supposed to get 20 more.
Good. Hey, this is a start. This is a start.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Sir, yes sir.
It looks good. You already got it?
Yes sir. Are you the one with the planes?
Yeah, I own the place.
Nice to meet you.
Randy.
Looks incredible.
My God.
Yeah. This is just
Also,
stunning. I've
can
never
you do a
seen
still
anything like
picture
that.
with,
Still picture like right there, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
Yes sir.
Yeah, cool.
You want to get on one of the planes or something?
No, we're good.
Get some posing in there.
We're good. That's cool. Thank you.
This is just so impressive. I've been to plenty of events, but this one, it's a good one.
Thank you. Thank you. I think it turned out good for him.
Oh yeah. Thank y'all for having us out here.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ooh.
Hey, Mark, come here, you know better.
Do I? What's up?
He has on my exhaust. I gave him my exhaust.
Uh-huh.
Does that sound like, wasn't mine whistle louder than this?
You just need the tune.
Told you.
It's just the tune, I feel like.
He is tuned. He's already tuned, but I think it's a tune though.
It's like, it's a little different, yeah.
It's different, bro.
Yeah, because
it's-
his had like a really gnarly like snap pop.
Well, I don't have pops. I've
No.
tuned my pops out.
Okay.
Did you have your pops in?
I did, but,
yeah.
but the whistle was way louder. It was like a very high-paced whistle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the only thing that
I
will
don't
affect that
know.
is headers and intake. And headers, intake, plenum. Those are the only three things that will control.
Did you
the
have
airflow.
headers or anything on yours?
I just had whatever he got on it. Yeah, everything was normal. I factory reset it.
There's not a different trim or anything? Yeah, I don't know.
Does that sound different?
A little, I mean, I'm telling you, I think it's just that pop tune that makes the difference, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
It probably just like gives it that little bit of spice or something to the turbos.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, the cars look so sick here.
I know, dude.
I wish your Ferrari was here.
Well, kind of, not really. You were running them through the dirt and shit.
Oh, really?
They got
Fuck,
rocks and
man.
shit all up on the runoff.
Fuck. I don't know. Damn. Hopefully he knows where to stop.
No, yeah, he's breaking there.
Bro, Chase, we gotta be more commanding, bro. Lame. Okay, despite it being quiet, it's
Really? The shift is pretty good.
That's American muscle right there. Oh yeah.
No! Porsche everything! That 296 is fucking.
Hey, what you know about 1945, bro? What you know about like the 1939?
Ooh, let's go. Kyle too.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go! Paul's gonna put in his side view mirrors. He's gonna put.
You a donut?
No, I'm just kidding.
No.
They'll ban us from here. They'll ban us from here.
Yeah, they'll be like. Okay, sweet.
Yes.
Because I'm going everybody give me
I don't know.
I'd
bro.
like to see them run and see. That was a sick sound. That was good. Very good. Bro, shift.
Yeah.
I know this is gonna be the loudest probably.
Oh, fuck. Nipples are hard. Yo, are they gonna be fun running?
Oof. Damn.
What happened? Like it's not even a quarter mile though.
Oh no.
That is a freaking spaceship.
Yeah. Damn, crazy.
Bro, you can't tell. Still hasn't been down here yet. He's in.
Shoo! Damn.
I know he wants something. You got a radio?
The what now?
You got a radio?
Tell them that I'm taking off.
You can go ahead and go. I'm pretty sure there's no one over there.
All right, man.
Yes, sir. You take care.